Hi, welcome to another fun Tile Mart episode. I'm Julie Ireland, a design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. And I am so excited because today's episode is like Christmas all over again. We're gonna unbox a Tile Mart sample box that I've curated, and then I'll share with you a 3D tile bath design using the tile I selected. Are you ready? Let the fun begin. One of the things that I love most about Tile Mart, besides their gorgeous tile and stone collections, is their sample program. Most companies charge for samples, which can really add up and get really expensive, but not Tile Mart. They offer 5 samples for $5, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, browse their huge selection of tile and stone for your favorites. Step 2, click Get a Sample on their website and add any 5 samples to your box, 1 sample per tile style. Step 3, tell them where to ship your samples anywhere nationwide. That's it. It's so simple, and who doesn't like to receive a gift in the mail, right? Which brings me to my gift sample box. Let's open it together. One of the things that I absolutely love about Tile Mart is their sample program. So it comes in this beautiful box, which I think is just, it's gorgeous. I don't even know of any other tile company that has something so gorgeous. But what's great about it is you can pick out up to 5 tiles that you really love, and you'll get 5 tile samples for $5. They come in this package, in the box. You've got your sample on the front, and on the back, all the information is here. There's going to be a photo. There's a QR code, so you can just use your phone and you can go straight to the product on our website. It lists absolutely all the information from the color to the name, the manufacturer, the style, if it's matte or if it's gloss. So it gives you all that information. It's a smaller version of the larger tile. So for instance, here is that same sample. This is how it comes, but you're gonna get it in a nice little sample piece like this, so you can easily match your paint to it. You can use this when you're picking out your lighting. You can use this when you're picking out countertops, wallpaper, you name it. It's really nice to be able to touch and feel something to make sure that you like it, right? Because investing in tile or stone or countertops for your project, it's a big expense. So you want to get it right the first time. So that's why I just love the samples so much. I love the way that they fit in a purse. They're easy to carry around, or you just take your beautiful Tile Mart box with you everywhere you go. Although Tile Mart has beautiful photos and shares all of the details of each tile on their website, samples are so important. They really allow you to touch, feel, and see the tile and color in person, so you can make the right decision for your project. That was so fun. But I promised you a tile design using the Bedrosian's Mart collection. This is a real project at the Jersey Shores, and it's being installed as we speak. I can't wait to bring this vision to life and to share photos with you. And I can't wait for you to bring your dream home vision to life with Tile Mart Tile. So be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated. And if you have any design or installation questions for any of your projects, you can email or DM me, and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.